I'm on a whole nother level. Girl, he only fucked you over cause you let him. Girl, I guess he didn't know any better. Girl, that man didn't show any ever. Do all I can just...
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tashina Beauty, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button because I don't know if you know, girl, but I bring affordable hair, makeup, almost everything on a budget. And if you're oldie but a goodie, thank you for rocking with me. Let's get into this video. Now, the unit on my head was sent to me by Todayonly Hair, and it's their 12-inch human hair bob wig. The packaging came in like that. This is a human hair. This is not a synthetic unit. This is what it came in. I got a cap with it, and I also got some lashes. So I got a mesh cap and some lashes with it. Yeah, it's their 12-inch human hair. I will leave all the specs and everything down below for this hair, like their Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, all that will be down in the description box. So let's get right into this unit. Now, this is a beautiful, let me see if I can find what the name of this, well, the color of this unit, I should say. It just says highlighted lace front wig, and it's in 12 inches, 150% density, and it is priced extremely low. I mean, this is $41 for this here. Like, I think that's for the small, like the 8-inch though, and I think as it progresses, it goes up. So yeah, it is quite like beyond affordable, this unit. So as you know, this is a lace front unit, so there's lace from ear to ear parting, and you can part it any direction that you want it to. Obviously, I did a side part. You can do a middle part if you want to, and you can do it in any direction that you wanted to. I cut the lace off, obviously, and I glued her down. Now, I normally don't glue wigs down, but for that, because I like this like, I saw this, you know, like I'm not taking it off for a while, so I'm gonna glue her down because I want her to blend seamlessly and look really, really nice. I'm not good at gluing stuff down, but I do think I did an okay job, and I think she came out really, really nice. I did not receive much shedding from this unit, and I did not receive a whole, like, I didn't receive tangling or anything like that. When she did come to me, she did have like, you did need to like wash her, and they do tell you that on this, like she did, like the Todayonly Hair sent you a whole thing in here, how to take care of your hair and what to do when you do get this unit. What I did do, because I wanted it to actually be a shorter bob, but then after I saw it, I was like, oh, she's actually quite cute this length, but I wanted like a deep bump. Don't mind this right here, because this, after I was like clipping the hair back, trying to glue her down, this happened right here, which kind of pissed me the off. Okay, so we working with her, because I ain't going to take I put my combs back up and all that. I'm like, I'm not going back in to do that. So he gonna do what he do. So, and she takes heat really nicely. I had it on the low setting because I didn't want to like do the most, and she takes heat really well. Even after I cut the lace, I didn't get much shedding. So what I did, as I said before, put my flat iron, not on a high setting, went in and did a deep bump all around the unit. And just like how you would cut your bob in a feather effect, this has already come feathered a little bit. So what I did is kind of just follow that and just do it deep, and this is how it came out, and I am in love with this unit. This hair is not only affordable, it's really, 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 really nice. Like, and this color, I mean, this is like This is giving me all types of life. I like the I believe this is a number 2, then you have a 613, and then you have a 37 and 27s in there, and it just kind of like gives you further effect. The front, I know for the fact the front is like a 613 mixed more with 27, and your root are a number 4. Yeah, number 4 root, I believe, because yeah, I did spray the, what's it called, I think I got it from Walmart. It's like, you know that stocking kit, everyone that use it for their units, so I sprayed that in there to make it look more realistic. And then I just use my foundation and blend it all in. I don't know, guys, like I'm really loving this unit. It is soft, it's nice, it's feathered really well, the density is really nice. I'm not receiving shedding even after I cut so many lace off and kind of almost jacked it up, but she came out cute. So let me show you what she looks like from all different angles. And if it look crazy in the back, we don't have a judging channel over here. So if you coming over here to judge, okay, I will take your criticism, I appreciate them, but if you're a judgmental person, keep your judging to yourself. Okay, let's show you what the hair looks like from all different angles. So obviously this is what she looks like from the front. This is what she looks like from the left side. Let me back my chair up a bit. Wait a minute, back it up a bit. And this is what she looks like from the left side. This is what she looks like from the right side. And this is what she looks like in the back. Yeah, guys, like this unit, I don't really have a whole lot to say about her. I just, yeah, today only here, like they do have sales currently going on right now. You had 32% off directly for all wig, and there will be coupon code down in the description box below, so don't forget to check the description box down below, because I will have everything linked for this unit. I'm telling you, if you're looking for an affordable human hair unit, this is it. You better jump on it. This is it. Today Only Hair is not only giving the girls beautiful slays, but she's giving it to you with on a budget. Like you can't, like what more do you want? Like that's just being greedy. I'm just being honest. Like it is what it is. Like she cute, like come on. And this to me is like this is why I glued it down, right? Because 1, I like the length, 2, I like the color, and the fact that it will not be, it's getting warm out in New York, and I don't want no long units right now. I think this will work really nicely, and I'm going for something that's bold but fun, and I don't gotta keep pinning up, and it won't be getting in my way like that. So this 12-inch bob definitely is it for me. Yeah, she did that. Like Today Only Hair, she did that. Now while we are at it, okay, and we're making it to the end of this video, do not forget to hit that like button. But most of all, make sure you're subscribed to my channel and turn on your notification bell, because wait, your girl be uploading, and we don't got a set schedule, but we'll be uploading. Don't forget to check out my wear test videos. Like I have a couple of them coming. If it isn't out already, there is one coming, so don't you dare miss my wear test video, because girl, I be cranking them out, and I have a few more videos coming. Follow me on my other social medias. They'll all be down in the description box below, because guess what? I know you guys don't want me sit here and tell you what they are, because you ain't gonna remember them anyways. So just check the description box. Everything will be down there below. And do not forget to purchase this here from Today Only Hair, because I'm bringing you affordable on a budget, girl. Because you know what we do? Bougie on a budget over here. And until next time, this is your girl Tashina Beauty. Thank you for rocking with me. Bye.